What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 30. The world's hidden travel gems. Let's explore them together. First up, Zhujiagu Valley in China. Picture turquoise lakes, lush forests, and stunning waterfalls. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Next, let's head to the Faroe Islands. Nestled between Iceland and Norway, these islands offer rugged cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and puffins galore. It's nature's playground. Ever heard of Matera in Italy? This ancient city is carved out of limestone cliffs, with cave dwellings that date back thousands of years. It's a living museum. Now let's jet to Namibia's Skeleton Coast. Think dramatic desert landscapes meeting the roaring Atlantic Ocean. Shipwrecks and seal colonies make it a surreal adventure. Finally, don't miss out on the Azores in Portugal. These volcanic islands are brimming with hot springs, crater lakes, and lush greenery. A true paradise. So pack your bags and unlock these hidden gems. Adventure awaits.